to BalsaCircle.com, your one-stop shop for all of your event decor. Today we're going to show you how to do this really cute frozen Elsa inspired centerpiece. We actually made centerpieces for the Trinity Foster Care holiday party. We've been involved with them for the last couple years, really wanting to make their event beautiful and just wanting to give back, especially to those families that are all involved. We wanted to show how special they are and celebrate them. Let's go ahead and dive in, starting with these 3 separate ribbons. Now they are 3 8-inches, purple, turquoise, and light blue. They're just a mix of satin ribbon and organza satin edge ribbon. Kind of add a little bit of character, not having all the same kind of texture and look there. Now with the 3 of them, you want them to be the length of the actual dowel. The wooden dowel on the table there that you can see, we spray painted it silver, kind of like a sparkly silver to make it really fun. And so the ribbons, you want to have it to be a little bit longer or the length of the actual dowel itself. Now to secure those into place, you're going to be doing a knot in the middle so that those 3 ribbons actually look like 6 on the actual kind of wand, and putting some hot glue on the tip there. So if the kiddos do kind of grab for them, it's really going to be your option whether or not you're going to secure it into the centerpiece, or if you're allowing kids to take them out and, you know, feel like princesses and wave them around. You can also have or make a few extra of these to put on the tables just in case you don't want them to touch the centerpiece itself. So it's up to you. Have extra on the table or in the centerpiece. This is what it looks like at the end. Super cute when you put a snowflake on there. Obviously the snowflake really matches with that spray painted dowel and the cute little ribbons on the side too. Of course, all the Elsa frozen colors. Super cute. Now you'll need 3 of these per centerpiece. So we're making quite a few of these. Now what we're doing is we're taking 3 of these kind of large straw balloon holders, and this is a cup. That's what it's called, that we just popped up on the top. Now that's where the balloon is going to sit on. As you can see, we just showed you the rocks that we're putting on the bottom of this julep cup. There's going to be a bumping of the table, so put something on the bottom, maybe a paperweight, that way it stays into place. We did put a foam disc in there, of course, and glued it into place. This is a 3-inch foam disc because the actual opening of the julep cup is 3 1/4 opening. Now we have different sizes, so if you go on our website, you can pick whatever size that you want, but this is the size that we chose. Now we're just placing the 3 sticks for the balloons and then the 3 Elsa wands there. When you're thinking of a centerpiece, you want to make sure that it's either tall enough or short enough that people can have a conversation, obviously, at the table. And so with this, we didn't want too much kind of frill. You're going to see there that we're putting some hot glue. This is optional. However, we're putting hot glue in there so kids don't actually take the dowels out. We might put some on the table, but that's up to you. If you don't want to put hot glue and you want them to take it out, then don't put the hot glue, obviously. Here's tinsel that we're just putting around the edge. Super cute. And you can get this, gosh, at the dollar store or wherever you're located. It's usually this time of year. There are a lot of these. But as far as the centerpieces, like I mentioned, there is a lot of space in between the silver wooden dowels there for the wands. There are areas that people can talk through. So just want to make that note there. Here are one of our LED lights. It has 3 different modes. You can pick whatever mode that you want and then just pop it in the middle. Looks really, really cute, especially if you have kind of like an ambiance and the lights are low. It looks really fun blinking in the center there. Here are 12-inch latex balloons. Now these are royal blue, purple, and silver. So we did blow them up a little bit less than 12 inches. And yes, if you're having a big event like this, a pump is actually awesome. So here are the 3 balloons. Look super cute. As you can see, the whole look, very clean, beautiful, and you don't need that many pieces to make it look awesome. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video. If you did, make sure that you like it, share it with a friend, and subscribe for all of your creative decor and event ideas. Until next time, stay creative.